Hi everybody, this is Chef Rohan from France. I'm still in Arizona and today we're gonna make another video on the pulled pork. But it's not the pulled pork that interests me here, it's what I will do with the pulled pork or the pulled pork leftovers. I will do one pot meal that you maybe know. It's called the Brunswick Stew. The Brunswick Stew is a one-pot meal made with all the leftovers from pulled pork, from brisket. I made a video yesterday on the brisket, and from chicken. If you don't have brisket, you can use any other cut of beef. Sorry, and if you don't have beef, it's okay only with the pulled pork and the chicken. What is important is the recipe by itself, the one pot meal, and the Brunswick stew is a poor people dish made with all the leftovers from meat and from vegetables. Okay, so let's go for the pulled pork first. I will just use some salt, pepper, and the home style pork rub from Tbsp. We will smoke the meat at 130 Celsius degrees, and then I will smoke some chicken legs, and we will do the recipe of the Brunswick stew. Let's go for the meat first. So I will oil the meat with some neutral oil. I use canola oil here. It's just to let the rub stick to the meat, okay? So never forget to vaporize some apple juice and water, or apple juice and apple cider vinegar. Okay, the internal temperature of the meat is 65, 66 Celsius degrees, so it's time to rub. So I just removed the pulled pork from the barbecue. Looks really nice. So now we're gonna do the rest of the recipe, the Brunswick stew. So the pulled pork is ready. I have some chicken drumsticks that I need to grill. And for the Brunswick stew, I need different ingredients. I need some carrots, onion, garlic, some corn, some green beans, some potato. I need barbecue sauce, and I need some chicken broth, okay? And some butter to cook the onion and the garlic first, okay? Salt, pepper, and if you want to add some hot pepper, you can do it, but it's your choice, all right? So I set the temperature of the barbecue to the maximum, and now I will grill the chicken drumsticks and prepare the Brunswick stew in a cast iron pot. The cast iron is already in the grill. I'm preheating it, okay? Let's go. So I cook one onion with 1 tablespoon of garlic and some butter. Now I will add half a liter of chicken broth. The green beans, carrots. I forgot to mention the diced tomatoes, 1 can. And a half liter of tomato sauce. Now we'll add some red skin potato, but I cut them in 4. And now we'll let that cook for maybe 1 hour. Alright, now I will add some Worcestershire sauce, maybe 2 tablespoons. We like some heat here, so I will add some hot sauce. Up. And now I will add the corn. And of course, I will add chicken drumsticks, pulled pork, and some brisket from yesterday. And now I will finish with 1 cup of barbecue sauce. And now we will let rest for maybe 1 hour more in smoke mode, so 82 Celsius degrees. So we'll get some more smoke flavor. So this is a Brunswick Stew. It looks so good. So I hope you appreciate this video on the Brunswick Stew on the Tbsp Pro Series 11 and 50. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.